Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. This is me today. It's Saturday. It's 8 o'clock right now. We are in a brisk morning. It's about 47 degrees out here. I know to some of you that's pretty warm, but to me it's freaking cold. So, all right. So I'm trying to do a quick little day in the life type video right now. So we got one job today, pretty simple, outside only. It's a mobile home. It's probably gonna take me longer to get there than to do the actual job. But I got my tripod, so I'm pretty excited to try to see what I can come up with today, content-wise. Yeah, so more day in the life videos coming. So yeah, so right now we're just on our way to go get coffee, and yeah, so I'll bring you guys along. Let's get it. Yeah, so here we are. We're starting with this window here. Luckily, I took my step ladder with me this day to do these windows, since this was a mobile home. You know, I did remember from my experience with mobile homes that the windows aren't exactly at floor level because they have a foundation, so that makes them a little bit taller. Yeah, so I took my step ladder with me this day. As you can see, the window's open there. I couldn't get it closed, and then, you know, she didn't want to be bothered, so I was just like, you know what, I'll just put a towel down. And then here I started with the back side of the windows. From at this point, pretty much just went all the way around the house and took all the screens down. That way I don't have to worry about them at every stop, and then I could just keep starting with all the windows. So yeah, and then this was a new rubber, so it took me a couple attempts to get the windows clean because I was breaking in the rubber. You know, detail the sides and the edges when I'm done. But this one, I completely forgot to do the tracks here, so I used my detailing brush to do the tracks one more time. But it sucked because it got water in there, so it kind of turned to mud. So, but we got it done. And then I do the back side, the next window. See, this time I start out detailing the tracks and go from there. Scrub the top, scrub the bottom. Get that last final bit there off. My white pad, I don't use a holder for the white pad. I just like to use hand pressure to get it done. And then just straight pulls on these, because again, this was new rubber, so it wasn't fanning quite well. So just straight pulls on all of these bad boys. And then that's pretty much it. Then I did the rest of the house, and that was it. Yeah, what's going on, man? So we just finished up that job right now. So took 2 hours in total, in terms of, because I got to talking with the client. You know, I like to talk to them, you know, if they're open enough to, you know, to talk with me. You know, that's how I build my rapport with them a little bit more. So, you know, she was a really nice lady, super sweet. So let's do a breakdown of what we earned today. So let's say we did one job. It was at 9 o'clock. I didn't start working till 9:30, and I finished about 10, so maybe 40 minutes. It took me 40 minutes to do the inside, the outside, plus 2 windows on the inside, only the inside. So $150 for 40 minutes of work, of actual work. It's not bad. So, you know, like I said, we're done for the day. I got some family stuff today. I never got that coffee, so that sucks. So we're about to go get some coffee right now because I'm kind of tired. It's about 10:56 right now. We ended up landing another client in that neighborhood. So we got one right now for like this patio area. It's a covered patio, but it's all glass. So we got them for that, inside and out. Another 150 right there. And then we pretty much, you know, it was a pretty simple job. Another person came up to me asking me for my solution on how to clean the windows. So, you know, I just told them how to do that. And so that was pretty cool.
Would have wished it was more of a paying customer, but you know, whatever. But yeah, so all in all, it was a pretty good day. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, window cleaning, man, 40 minutes of work to make 150 bucks of actual work. Like I said, not including drive time and talking with the customer and stuff like that. So right now we're at the bank, about to cash this check, and yeah, so till the next one. Peace.